Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a pre-created background that you've created yourself either in Keynote or PowerPoint or in another, creating software that you might use outside of the Boom Learning Workstation. So to do this, you are going to come over to not add a new card, but new cards from images. So it's the second one over, and you're going to select yes. And here you're going to grab the background that you have uploaded. So I'm going to grab this one here and hit OK. And you'll notice that it imports it as my background. Now I like this because it keeps the proportions exactly how I designed them. Okay. Now I also do not have to worry about this image moving around. Now, if you're a brand new creator, you probably don't know that this, image could move around if I had imported it a different way. And I'm going to show you that way right now so you can see why you should be importing it this way. Okay, so if I add a new card, okay, some people like to create their background using an image. Okay, so we're going to grab the same file and here's our image. Okay, when I let go of it with my mouse, it's going to just, get a random size. Okay, now it is the same proportions. Sometimes it's not though. Sometimes it's a little weird looking to me. So this one is just a way to ensure that it's the exact dimensions. It's like a photo, okay? So this one might get stretched a little bit differently than what my original proportions were, okay? The other reason I don't recommend doing this way is that this image is actually movable within the workstation. Now, it is not movable when we preview it, so it's not going to be movable now, but when we're working, it could become a headache for us. You see in this slide, I actually want to layer these fill in the blank boxes on top of this. And while I'm doing that, if I don't have it as an actual background, I might move this around by mistake. And then as I'm trying to fix it, I might move around some of my text boxes. So just to avoid that, right? Just import it from here instead. Okay, if for some reason you really want to do it this way, that's okay. I'm going to suggest that you lock this image. Okay, so in case you don't know how to do that, you're going to click on the image. Okay, so you select that image and then you come over to item and hit lock. So now we cannot move it in our workstation. Okay, now if you change your mind and you're like, oh, I need to move this around somehow, or you lock it on accident, like let's say we locked it over. Oh, see, this is exactly why I don't like doing this for the background. So just prove my point here. Okay, so let's say we locked it in that position. Okay, so we would want to unlock it and then redo it. But I think I just proved my point as to why you should just import it like this. So once again, you're going to come to new cards from images and you follow the steps that I just mentioned in the first part of this video. So if you liked this video, please give it a like and share it with other creators who would find it useful. And please also leave a comment or send me a message on Instagram at Petica Kelly with topics that you'd like me to teach on in future videos. All right, bye.